Yes, I'm buying the golden slime.
Is this a new Bubblegum Simulator update? It's
So
Update 70, and there's actually a new code.
I bought it. Are you guys ready to see the stats? Yeah, here we go. I'm scared to touch it. Holy cow! Base stats are almost 100k.
Oh.
I'm maxing this thing. Where is it? Golden slime. Sadly, it's not a secret. You guys don't know what I just went through. I grinded for like an hour to get crystals. Oh my gosh! 69,000 bubbles, 269,000 coins, 310,000 gems, and 60,000 for every world. So guys, this is the golden slime. Let me just go equip it. What? There we go. It's beautiful! Look at this beautiful pet. So, yeah guys, that's the stats. Amazing pets.
Wait, I'm in the game. I'm in a good game.
What happens if I put a hat on it? Oh, no, the hat's just goes to the bottom, I think. So, yeah, that's gonna be it for guys. Yeah. What just... It turned orange. Well, yeah.
Anyways,
Yeah,
guys,
bye.
bye.
Guys.